Hi everybody, Mr. Crowley here. I just want to say to every single one of our St. David's students, thank you for all your hard work, your commitment, dedication and engagement. It does make a massive difference, not just to yourselves, but to each other as well. Hang on in there, you've got this, and we'll all be back together again soon. Massive shout out to my performing arts and drama students. Thank you for staying so creative, which keeps me creative and keeps each other sane. Thank you guys and take care.
Hi everybody, I just want to say that I'm loving seeing all your lovely names on my chat feeds for every lesson. Please keep up the good work. In the meantime, keep smiling, send you lots of love and stay safe.
Hi everybody. I can imagine this year you're feeling the pressure even more than usual. With exams being cancelled, it seems even more important that every assessment you've got to do well in. Now I just want you to be reassured that you can come to me, ask for help and support. I'm here for you and I believe in you and I want you to do the best that you can. So don't be shy, come forward and together we'll get you through this and we'll get the grade that you deserve.
Everyone, we're missing seeing you in action with your sport and physical activity at college, but in the meantime keep yourselves fit and healthy. It's really important to get some exercise every day, get some fresh air, go for a run, go for a bike ride, go for a brisk walk, but keep yourselves active. It helps blow away the cobwebs, gives you a lift and helps you concentrate with your college work.
Hi everybody, Mr. Batten here. Really hope you're all doing well. Really can't wait to get back to college. I see you all. No, it's been a tough year, but we're going to do great. You're all going to do great, and we're all going to get back, see our families and friends soon. If you need anything at all, please get in contact with anyone from the college. We're here for you, whatever you need, okay? Look after yourselves, stay safe, and I will see you all soon.
To the lovely students of St. David's, the world will return at some point to a much brighter future. We can't wait to see you all back in class soon. It's possible to start dreaming and thinking of your futures. So stay strong, stay safe, and we'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone.
Hi all, just a quick video to say I hope you and your families are staying safe and well. It's currently half time in the Wales rugby game. We are entering month 3 of stay-at-home restrictions and I'm keen to know what you've been doing. I've managed to do some decorating, starting learning Welsh and been out for regular walks to keep myself active. We're all doing so well, we're staying at home. Stay positive, stay safe, we can do this. Take care, Mr. Tom.
Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is just a quick message to encourage you all to get out every day for a bit of fresh air, especially if you're feeling a bit demotivated and a bit fed up of being on the screen all the time. Take care, spring is coming.
Hi, just wanted to say how very proud I am of each and every one of you. You've got this and I can't wait to see you back in college.
The sun will shine on you again. Tomorrow will be a good day.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gravel, one of the pastoral team. This is such a tough time for young people, so please remember that alongside your teachers, the pastoral team is here to help you. Please don't struggle with things on your own, but get in touch with us and we'll do whatever we can to support you. Apart from that, my 2 top tips would be, first of all, be kind to yourselves as well as to one another. It doesn't cost anything and it can make somebody's day. And secondly, get out in the fresh air, appreciate everything around you when you can. It may be cold and windy, it's a bit like that today, but getting out can certainly boost your mood and hopefully help you to feel more productive. couldn't be more proud of you, how well you've done in college. Your strength, your resilience, how you keep battling on. But more importantly, your good human banter has been an absolute pleasure to hear in my lessons. You're a joy to teach, a pleasure to teach. And just remember, you've got this, and when we all come back, when we do come back, we'll be together again and we're going to celebrate everything that you've done. Much love to you all. God bless. And here she is, the diva, Sally, who you often can hear in the back of my lessons. She thought she wants to say hello. She's saying good luck. We can do it. Bye now, guys. Bye.
You are all doing really, really well, and we're all really proud of you at St David's. You've got this. Keep going, yeah?
Hi everyone, I'm Julie Maldoom. I'm your spiritual reflection teacher. A huge thank you to everyone who attends my lessons and participates with so much enthusiasm, given these challenging circumstances. You all have so much to look forward to, so stay strong, have faith and keep up the good work.
To the class of 2021, we salute you for your determination and resilience this year. We miss you at the college and we will see you soon.
Dim hir I fynd nawr, ewch amdani. Pob hwyl.
Hi guys, it's Mrs Hember from History and Sociology. Hope you're all doing okay at home. A lot of you have been messaging saying, that you're really struggling with the workload, lacking motivation, can't get, all the work done. And all I want to say is just remember, your best effort is all you can do, okay? As long as you are doing as much as you can and really giving it your best shot, we'll be happy and you should be happy with yourself too.
Hi all, hope you're doing okay. Who would have thought it would have gone on this long, hey? But you're doing really well. Keep at it, keep working hard, take breaks, right? And don't get bogged down by being in front of that screen all the time. Take a break when you can, but make sure you're doing the best you can. Well done.